In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize notification alerts in the Coinbase mobile app. If you want to stay on top of your crypto activity without getting overwhelmed, dialing in your notification settings is the way to go. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you only get the alerts that matter to you. First, open the Coinbase mobile app on your phone and sign into your account. Give the app a second to load your dashboard. If you haven't installed the app yet, you'll find a safe download link right at the top of the description. That way you're using the official source. From your main screen, look to the top right for your profile icon and tap it. This opens your account menu. Here, select Settings. Think of Settings as your control center for privacy, security, and preferences. Inside Settings, tap Notifications. This is the hub where you control every alert type. You'll see toggles you can switch on or off, so you can fine-tune things based on your comfort level and goals. Now choose the alert types that make sense for you. Security alerts let you know about sign-in attempts, password changes, and important security events, which is great for peace of mind. Account activity covers deposits, withdrawals, and any key account changes, helping you track money moving in or out. Price alerts notify you when a specific cryptocurrency hits a target price you've set, which can be helpful for timing buys or sells. Custom alerts give you personalized control, so you can tailor notifications beyond standard options. Offers and announcements share promotions and app updates. Trading Insight provides timely tips and trading perspectives. News keeps you updated with market headlines and developments. And Advanced Transaction offers more detailed activity or trade alerts if you want extra visibility into your movements. Next, decide how you want to receive these alerts. Choose push notifications if you want instant prompts on your phone's lock screen. Email is useful for a record you can search later. SMS may be available depending on your region and settings, and it's handy if you prefer text messages. Pick the methods that fit your routine so important updates reach you where you'll actually see them. Before you leave, make sure your changes are saved. Some settings save automatically when you toggle them. Others may show a save or done option, so just confirm everything is set the way you want. Then, exit the settings menu, and you're all set. That's it. Your Coinbase notifications are now customized to your preferences. If you found this helpful, don't forget there's a download link for the app at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.